Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna try to figure out what's wrong with my Scion Tc. This is I couldn't start the car, so I bought a battery to replace it. I thought the battery was dead, so it turns out it's not the case. I couldn't start it even with the new battery. So this is what happens when I try to start the car. I'm gonna start it right now. So you can see I'm turning the car, but there's no cranking sound, so it must be the starter. So I'm gonna try to figure out and see if it is the starter. So I got the new battery. Here I'm gonna try it. There you guys. So the new, got my voltmeter here. So new battery, it should read like around 12.4 to 12.6. So it means this is like fully charged battery, so it should be good to go. But right now I'm concerned is like the starter here. So I'm gonna try to see if I can like take this out and see if it's the starter problem. Got this part. So there's another bolt over here and one right here. Alright, last one. So I'm gonna try to take this out. Alright, we got it out. We got it out. So I'm gonna see if there's something's wrong with this, or we need to buy a new one. So we couldn't figure out what's wrong with the other starter, so we just bought a new one from O'Reilly. So let's hope this will work. Let's put this in right now and let's hope for the rest.
Surprisingly, they had a 2005 Scion Tc one. Right? I was like, I didn't expect them to have it.
Let's make sure sure it's all clean here. And now put this in the way it came out.
Might need to put a little elbow grease into that.
Make sure this is on the outside. Make sure there's like no gap. Put bolts in. Tighten like both sides at the same time. Now we gotta connect the negative terminal. And before you connect it, make sure you like clean up the contact here, like with a sandpaper or something. So. I've got to tighten up this part. Alright. Now connect the positive, and just reconnect everything back and put the battery back in. Yeah. Make sure you clean these contacts here too before you put them in. Alright, let's test it up.
Yeah. Nice. Good job.
it turns out it was the starter that broke. So if you turn the key and there's no sound, just change the starter and you're good. Alright.
Nice.
Hope you guys enjoy this episode. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.